Tired of your phone dying on the go? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 portable charger is your ultimate solution for never running out of battery again. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over, or powering up multiple devices on a long trip without a wall outlet. This massive 20,000 milliamp hours capacity isn't just a number. It means reliable, long-lasting power for all your adventures, from travel to daily commutes. What truly makes this Anker power bank special is its exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest possible charge. No more slow charging guesswork. Just plug in and experience optimized speed every single time, whether it's your phone or tablet. With dual USB ports, you can power two devices simultaneously, making it perfect for sharing with a friend or charging your phone and earbuds at once. Anker's reputation for premium quality and safety means you're investing in a durable, trustworthy portable battery that outperforms competitors. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger for your electronics in 2025, you'll find an exclusive deal on this Anker PowerCore 20,000 via the link below. Stop searching for outlets and embrace true freedom. This is the essential travel gadget and daily power companion you've been needing. Seriously, for reliable power on the go, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 is an absolute must-have. Get yours today.